Meaning of groundnut.
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 Groundnut. Groundnut is another term for a peanut, which is a legume crop that grows underground. The peanut plant is a low-growing, annual plant that can reach up to 50 centimeters in height. It belongs to the family Fabaceae and is native to South America. The name groundnut comes from the fact that the plant produces its fruit, the peanut or nut, underground, typically in pods that contain 2 seeds each. Peanuts are a versatile food source that can be consumed roasted, boiled, or used to make peanut butter, among other things.